Welcome to our channel, the 2025 Jayco North Point, the luxury fifth wheel designed for those who want the ultimate comfort on the road. Today, we're taking you through all the exciting features, specs, and innovations that make this model a standout in the RV world. Let's start with the exterior. The 2025 North Point boasts an upgraded full-body paint option with stunning new color choices. The automotive-grade gel-coat fiberglass adds durability and a sleek look. The frame is built with Jayco's exclusive Stronghold VBL trademark aluminum construction, ensuring long-term reliability. The MO-Raid rubber pin box and upgraded suspension make towing smooth and effortless. With large pass-through storage, outdoor entertainment options, and a factory-installed solar package, this fifth wheel is ready for any adventure. Moving inside, the luxury continues with an open and spacious interior. The 2025 model features newly designed modern farmhouse decor, with premium hardwood cabinetry, LED accent lighting, and residential-style furnishings. The living area offers a comfortable tri-fold sofa, power theater seating with heat and massage, and a 50-inch 4K smart TV with a JBL sound system. The electric fireplace adds a cozy touch, perfect for chilly evenings. The kitchen is designed for both convenience and style. A spacious island with a solid surface countertop provides ample prep space, while the stainless steel residential refrigerator, convection microwave, and 3-burner cooktop offer everything needed for gourmet cooking. The walk-in pantry with built-in shelving ensures plenty of storage for extended trips. Soft close drawers and modern backsplash designs complete the upscale feel. Heading into the master suite, the North Point offers a king-size bed with an upgraded memory foam mattress. Overhead reading lights, under-bed storage, and a full-width wardrobe provide plenty of space and functionality. The ensuite bathroom is equally impressive, featuring a walk-in shower with a glass door, dual vanity sinks, and a porcelain toilet. The addition of a washer and dryer prep makes full-time living a breeze. For those traveling with extra guests or needing office space, the North Point includes a dedicated bunk room or flex space in certain floor plans. This area can be customized as a second bedroom, office, or extra storage space, making it perfect for families and remote workers alike. Technology and connectivity are key highlights of the 2025 model. The J-Command registered smart RV system allows you to control lighting, climate, slide-outs, and security from your smartphone. With upgraded Wi-Fi prep and multiple USB charging ports throughout, staying connected on the road has never been easier. Safety and convenience are top priorities in the North Point. Standard features include backup and side view cameras, a tire pressure monitoring system, and upgraded disc brakes for improved stopping power. The independent suspension system further enhances ride quality, ensuring peace of mind on long journeys. Overall, the 2025 Jayco North Point is a perfect blend of luxury, functionality, and innovation. Whether you're a weekend traveler or a full-time RVer, this fifth wheel has everything you need to make life on the road comfortable and enjoyable. Thanks for watching our full tour of the 2025 Jayco North Point. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more RV tours and travel tips. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of this incredible fifth wheel. See you in the next video.